Hey guys, welcome to week 2. You made it through the first week of class, and I hope you found that content to be provocative and thought-provoking, as well as interesting, okay? And really what I was hoping to get across to you with that first content was to demonstrate that before Europeans arrived, there were civilizations, there were groups of people who already existed on the North American and indeed South American hemispheres, right? And the reason why I do that is because eventually many of these groups of people are to be displaced through force and war and removal, right? And some historians, including myself, would begin to conclude that this forced removal process that we will talk about as this course goes on is an example of genocide and colonialism. And these are just things that really Americans don't want to have to think about because it really puts a negative spin on what it meant for us to spread from sea to shining sea, recognizing that those people were here. But I think it's important to make that connection and realize that that's true. This week we're going to be talking about the English colonies, and specifically we're going to be talking about 3, Jamestown, Plymouth Plantation, and the Massachusetts Bay. And I'm very concerned with the Massachusetts Bay because we're going to be doing a case study this week on the Salem witch trials, and this occurs in the Massachusetts Bay colony in a Puritan society. And this week you're going to have a film to watch, you're going to have a lecture to listen to, you have some reading in your textbook as well as some web pages to look at, and optionally, if you would like to do it, there's an interactive exercise where you could go through this process of being accused of witchcraft and sort of going through what it must have felt like to a degree to have been accused of that. And you'll take all of that this week to answer the various discussion board questions that I've posted for you. Be sure to answer those questions as directed by the discussion board, okay? And so that's really what we got going on this week. And if you have not yet already done so, please make sure to contact me as soon as possible about your choice for the final essay. It is a first come, first serve, and what that means is that you need to make sure that you have 2 or 3 options for the questions you'd like to ask in case one question has already been taken and filled up. So make sure you get that to me as soon as possible and get working on that, okay? All right, I think that covers everything I need to talk about this week. If you have any questions or concerns, as always, please contact me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, go in peace, be warm and filled, and may the force be with you. Bye, guys.